we going to do today?
Slime!
Slime, all right.
Now let's open the borax.
That is borax. We're going to make 3 different types of slime that we got off the internet. Well, we can do the borax one first. That one has borax, water, and school glue.
I'm gonna do that one.
So, we need to get a bowl.
I'm definitely gonna do this one.
Okay, so we're going to use all the school glue. This is 4 ounces.
Wow.
If we're going to do that, then we're going to get a whole cup of water, okay? And the first thing we do before we add the borax, wait, yep. We're going to pour some of the water in there, Liam, about half that cup. Good job. And now pour all of this glue in there.
I want to pour all of the glue.
Okay, Henry, pour that glue in there. And then Liam, you have a spoon. You can mix it. Yeah, mix it together. Look at the glue. We're mixing the glue in water to make it not so thick. So we really want to stir it good, where it's all the same, texture. So you see how we have those chunks of glue still? You want to stir that until it gets all
Slimy.
stirred in. That looks pretty good. Yeah, and then we're going to measure 8 ounces. Oh, that looks great. I'm going to let you pour the borax in.
Wow,
And that should link together the polymer.
Wow, I can't wait to make it. No, Liam, don't eat it.
And give us the slime. Okay, we're gonna pour. You're gonna stir, and I'll pour it. Okay, I'll stir. You pour. You stir. I pour. Which way?
Me.
You wanna pour? But pour slowly.
Me.
Okay, there we go. Good job, Henry. Nice.
How are we supposed to do it?
Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. Whoa, it's getting slimy. Look at the slime. We forgot to add food coloring.
Oh, it's slimy.
Oh, it's slimy. Look at that.
Wow.
You guys want to mix it with your hands? You can. Wow, this one worked really good.
Oh, slime. It's really finally made slime. Liam, it's slime.
Good, you can make about.
Fly slime.
It's like stretchy. Watch. Look how stretchy we can go.
Fly slime. Buy slime.
We don't have to buy slime. We just made it.
Make slime. Make slime. Wow, this is some good slime.
That is some great slime. So far, we really like the school glue
No.
borax
No,
slime.
Liam.
Liam, please stick with your own slime and let your brother have his. You're a big boy. Okay, skim milk and 1 tablespoon vinegar. So it's a 7-to-1 ratio. Okay, so 8 ounces of milk. Hold on, and then we're gonna add a little more vinegar.
Stir it.
Vinegar.
Liam's gonna stir it for you.
Great. Now 1/7 of that.
Well,
1/8 of
everybody
that.
likes slime. Everybody likes slime.
Ready? Let's see if it precipitates. Ready? Do you see you're getting a precipitate?
Oh.
Have to
Oh,
get another
yeah.
filter.
Kids, do not put this on your hair.
Oh, that might stick. That might not be good.
Yeah.
All right, let's try to filter out this solid, which is the milk protein. And that's what we're supposed to get into a ball.
You
make our slime.
like slime? Yeah.
Right here, look at this slime. That
Oh.
slime was definitely good. Let's see what we think of this batch.
Everybody likes slime.
Okay, now, I don't really have a good filter, so
Liam took the spoon.
I'm just gonna do this
Liam
and
took
hope
the
that I
spoon.
don't
Liam took the spoon.
make it fall this time.
Liam took the spoon right now.
Okay.
Everybody likes slime. Everybody likes slime.
I'm getting all the solid out. Yeah, I'm getting all.
We made slime right now.
Okay, Liam, you ready to pour some more over the filter?
Yeah.
And we'll try to, thank you, and we'll try to get all of the solid that we formed, all of that milk protein that we're going to
Look, I
use
made
as
ben-
the
I
basis
made a
of our
vending
next
case.
slime. But let's check out the casein that we have, which is the milk protein. This should be pretty funny. And they tell you to use skim milk, I'm guessing because it has less fat to get in the way. All right, this is pretty good. I'm going to have to get something to put this on. Okay, so far, this is all the milk protein we were able to get from that. Look at that. See, this is going to be the basis of our slime.
What's that?
Well, this is the milk protein that we were getting from the milk.
Is that slime?
Let's filter some more.
Is that
Not
slime?
yet. We have to add one more ingredient.
Yeah. One more ingredient, and then we can, and then it's slime.
And then Liam, look, we're gonna filter the last of the milk protein. And now that it's almost filtered, what you can do is we'll lift this up, kind of close it, and you can squeeze. Close it up and then squeeze the bottom, Henry, to squeeze the liquid out. Squeeze the bottom. Okay, so we have our milk protein. Look, Liam, did you see the milk protein? Liam, feel the milk protein we got. Ooh, that's not slimy yet, right? What do you think, Henry?
Ooh, it's not
It
slime.
falls apart. Okay, so what we're gonna, no, don't put in your slime. This is a different kind of slime, Liam. We're gonna try to make a different slime. So now we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons,
Don't put it on your slime.
because that's approximately 1/7 of
You
what we
doesn't
put
know if
here.
it's slime or
Or
not.
1/8. Okay, and when we put that in, we're gonna knead it. So we'll start with 1, and we'll see how it goes. Oh, guys, look at this. Can you knead it for me, Henry? I'm gonna put another thing of baking soda in. And as I put more in, it should start looking a little more like the other slime, as
Feels
opposed to
snowy.
crumbly. Yeah.
No.
Okay, let's do it. Ooh. So this recipe, more difficult, more expensive.
I'm just
Because we had to
I'm
get
gonna wash
milk.
my hands. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Okay, we're gonna,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
we have one more we wanna try. Cornstarch and water. What color do you wanna make the slime this time, since we forgot to add color before?
I want
Okay, can you take the green and add it to the water?
green. Yeah, we forgot to
Okay,
do.
Liam, I want you to add all the cornstarch
Yeah, we
into the blue
I
bowl.
want. Yeah, are we gonna have the green?
Could you put it in the water, please? Make the water green, and I think it should make the. We're gonna put that in here, Liam. That's right. That's right. Dig it out. Put it in there. Okay, that's plenty of food coloring. Beautiful.
Now can I stir it?
You are gonna slowly add some of the water. Oh, I guess Liam's starting. All right, let's knead it, guys. Oh boy, look at this stuff.
Yeah, look at all of this slime.
I think we might need more water.
I'm gonna put.
Liam, can you show
I'm
me
gonna
how
put slime on the subscribers.
slime on the subscribers? Ah! Okay. Can you show them how the slime is kind of liquidy, but it also
It's
kind of like quicksand?
It's because we put too much water.
Well, and this one's supposed to be a little bit more like quicksand as compared to the other one. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's fun, huh?
Yeah. Ew. Wow.
Is it fun, Liam?
Yeah.
What do you like about the slime, Liam?
It's easy.
So, Henry, which of these did you like the best? Because this one's definitely kind of like a quicksand. And Liam's really having fun playing in it. Because it's definitely
the white
neat.
one. The white
But the
one.
cornstarch one is a little bit more fun because it's kind of like
Okay.
quicksand.
Mistletoe.
But this one's also really fun because it's not as messy as the quicksand one that ended up everywhere.
Mistletoe. Mistletoe. No.